Wow, they are now ready for the wedding.
Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw the bride and the groom. So let's get started. The bride is wearing a crown. Very soon we are going to see a magic. Oh, the princess is looking around. Oh, and here is the nice crown. And now it's time to draw the groom. Oh, the groom is also looking around. I am drawing a table now on which there will be the wedding cake. Now it's time to draw the wedding cake. Oh, some heart balloons are also there. Can you see it? It's of nice red color. Let's do the coloring. The groom is wearing a blue jacket and a yellow pant. The bride is wearing a beautiful pink gown. Let's color the flowers now. And now it's time to color the cake.
Wow, they are now ready for the wedding.
So let's meet in our next video. Bye.